Thanks for stopping by my channel. It's your girl Slay LT, and we are coming back for another video. What's on lip gloss on here? Yeah, I started to say chap, but we're back for another video, and today we are doing another Shein haul. I have a huge haul from Shein, before I get started with this video. Some of the pieces that I've gotten from this haul actually started wearing. I'm going to post a picture of that item that I bought. I believe it was 2 pieces that I've already started wearing so far. Yeah, pretty much. Trying to think. Let's see. I just want to make sure that I haven't done a video on this haul yet. No, I haven't. So let me just get right into it. Not going to take too much time on this video because I have 2 other hauls that I want to show you guys today that I had. So it's going to be 2 separate videos. So, and I am in my glam room. I do need to redesign my clothing rack. I have a lot of stuff on here that is unorganized. Going to get to that one of these days, but let me just get right into it. It's actually 2 pieces that I've already gotten. I've already opened the bag, so I'm gonna pull these items out of the bag, and you see them coming out of the bag. Some of these things I actually forgot that I purchased, so we'll just get right into it. This is a shirt that I purchased from Shein, and this one is actually, I hope I didn't mess that up because it did hit my gloss. Okay, so this one is an off-shoulder shirt, and it actually does not have sleeves on it. It's just kind of one of those shirts that hang. You can wear over a tank top. I love the color because it is a nude color, which I needed for my wardrobe. And the next piece we have here, and just to let you guys update you guys or refresh your memory, I do save my Shein bags, so I'm just gonna go ahead and toss those on the floor. I'll get them in a second. I bought this shirt. Nope, not today. I love the color on this one. Thought it was super cute, so I have that piece. And also, I'm just going to kind of go through these right quick, and then like I said, at the end of the video, I will show you guys the price and what I paid for it. This is a crop jacket that I thought was super cute. Be paired up well with some jeans, maybe some heels, or you can actually go sneakers with these with some jeans as well. I bought this in a size 1X because I wanted it to be kind of roomy. And as you guys know, I am on a weight loss journey, so a lot of these pieces, they do fit now, but they're actually goal pieces. Goal, like I have a goal to get in them. The next one, I forgot I had a lot of these things. Oh, this is one of my favorite shirts that I forgot I had. The next one is this shirt. I absolutely love because it has like this see-through sleeve, and it says I am happy and free, which would be super cute with some jeans, maybe some heels. Y'all see that? Love it, love it, love it. Super cute. You can actually wear a nice skirt with that as well. The next piece, it's kind of hot in here. I'm gonna have to get my fan in here when I do the next haul. The next piece is just these linen pants. Now these were actually cute. I like these. Y'all know I'm a jogger queen, so I had to get me some joggers in here. It's like a linen type material. It has absolutely no stretch to it at all except for the waistband. This is in a 1XL, but I really believe that somebody's calling me. I really believe that I should be able to fit this now, even though it does not stretch, but. And it's a navy. This will actually go good with that shirt with the dots on it as well. With some cute little heels. Some cute little heels. This is, forgot I bought this too. Positivity Potions. This is one of them shirts that, you know, you can wear to the gym, or you can actually pair it pretty good with some jeans. If you guys can see that. Just covering my whole face. And the next piece I have what is this? Why does it feel like something else is in these bags when I take the clothes out of them? It's crazy. Just a Girl Boss, building an empire. That is your girl. I love that. Super cute. It's almost like a black type color. I don't know if it's like a dark gray maybe, but it's cute. Super cute. And I also bought all my shirts. I try to get in a 1XL because I like to have space to move around. The next piece I have is, forgot to sneeze. Oh, excuse me. Sheesh. I know I hate that. I hate sneezing in my, that's so disgusting. But we're gonna worry about that later. On t-shirt, which is super cute. I love the color. And this is also in a 1X. I might wear this weekend. That's cute. With some light colored jeans. Oh, I forgot I put this too. You know how you buy things and you forget what you actually purchased. This is a blouse that I thought was super cute. And this one, I'm trying to remember if this stretches. It has a little stretch to it, but it's not extremely stretchable. Just enough to kind of give you some, and it's also a 1X. Give you some stretch space. Yeah, it fits. It's super cute, and it's actually pretty lightweight too, so it's not one of them heavy type blouses. But that is super cute. Wear it with some jeans as well. And the next item is, I forgot I got this. So apparently I'm dramatic. I love this color. This is like a dark purple, I want to say. I actually thought this was Bordeaux, but it's not. So apparently I'm dramatic. That's super cute. And a few more pieces in here. One thing about Shein, when you get your clothes from them, see, I kind of opened some of these bags already, so I pretty much knew what was in it. I just forgot that I had this haul. I did. I purchased these probably about 2 months ago. It's okay if you don't like me. Not everyone has good taste. And it's so crazy. I'm glad I saw this because this shirt is actually in my shopping cart to purchase. I'm like, how did I not remember that I had this? Love the color and everything. That's super cute. So I'm going to have to wear those with some jeans. And I forgot I had this. Now this is actually a bikini, but I purchased this because this would go cute with some, what do I want to say, with some wide leg jeans. And it has like the little tie in the front. I love the color. It has like that funky 70s vibe to it. So I thought it was super cute. You guys see that? It has like it's a bikini. So, but I really, really think it'd be cute to wear under some jeans. And last but not least, I have the Black Queen shirt, which is super cute. And this one is actually, this material, it doesn't feel like the regular cotton material. It feels like it has like a little bit of silk to it, and it's very stretchy, so I thought that was super cute. So that's pretty much it for that haul. Oops, I do have one more. That one fell on the floor. Forgot about that one. What does it say? Oh, love yourself. That's cute. I forgot I bought all these. That's super cute. Okay. So that's pretty much it from that haul. I'm going to go ahead and post the pictures at the end of this video. If you do like this video, go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your notification bells on so you know when I post new videos, which I'm going to try to start pumping them out like every other day. And if you have any questions, just feel free to hit me up on my email addresses. If there's anything that you want me to do a haul on, or any company that you might have heard of and you're kind of hesitant about purchasing things from them, go ahead and hit me up and I'll give you my insight. If I haven't already purchased from the company, I'll go ahead and reach out to them and see if it's anything that I can purchase from them. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel, and I look forward to seeing you again. Talk to you later. Bye.